Guys. Hello guys, my name is Nancy Kem and today I'm gonna walk you through one-on-one process of signing up and getting into Canva and making flyers, posters, business cards, and all that good stuff that you can graphics right on this application. And I will go on step by step on how to do it so that you can be able to do it on your. You don't have to get somebody doing it for you. This is how I pretty much do it, and I'm going to walk you through the process. So I'm logged into Canvas right now. I have an account with them, and I'm gonna go to the home screen. I'm gonna go to the home screen real quick here, and kindly give me a split second. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to the home screen here, and yep, I think I need a little bit of lighting there so you're able to see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm on the canvas. This is how the home dashboard looks like. And once you're on the home dashboard, guys, down below, I'm going to leave my information. Ask me questions. I'm going to be doing a whole lot of tutorials how to use these applications that most of us have. Some people have platforms. So this is one of the applications that I personally advocate for, and this is what I use. And what I do once I log into my site, what I do is I look for what I'm about to create so that I can get templates for it, and then I can go in there and plug and play, take some things off, add some things on, and there you go. Voila, I have a nice flyer to post on my social media. So because we are getting to 2023, and I'm sure a lot of us will be sending out Happy New Year's flyers on our platform. So we're gonna go ahead and create one flyer for Happy New Year on with you guys right live with you guys here. So what I do is I go to the search button and I will look for New Year flyer. I already have it on there, but I'm gonna just type it on. I'm going to just click on it. I was doing one earlier today, so I'm just gonna click on it, and what it's gonna do is gonna give me a couple of flyers to choose from. These are templates that I can choose one and manipulate it and use it for myself. So these are people that are graphic designers and they sell these templates on here. So if you like any template, you can just pick one and use it and add your information on there. So there are some that have like a gold pro thing here that is when you are going to another level and you have to pay for it separately. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this one. It looks really, really cute. I don't have to do a whole lot of things with it, and it's free because my account is paid to a certain level. I don't want to pay extra for that. So let's customize this particular flyer right here. It's a 8x5 flyer that fits social media pretty good. It's gonna be a good dimension for a story, or you can still use it on your post. So it's coming right on here. Once it gets here, we're going to plug and play, as I said, change a name on it or logo on it, or maybe my business card on my business website on it and stuff like that, and it's good to go. There you go. It has been uploaded. So what I do is I'm going to say, I don't want it to say here. So I'm going to change the party. I'm going to just click on it. It's going to give me some sort of, it's going to give me an option to text on it. So I'm waiting on it to get ready and I'm going to go ahead and text it. What happened? Computer, hurry up. This is what goes on. But it's gonna take me less than 15 minutes, I promise. All right, so we have an opportunity to plug and play. So here I'm gonna say happy instead of party. I'm gonna change that. And another thing I wanna do is I wanna go to text, which is right here. I'm gonna click on text. I'm gonna do add subtitle, and I'll delete everything on the subtitle because I want to have my website on this. So I'm going to use www.dynamicsdispatchllc.com. That's my company website. We do run a trucking dispatch company, and that's what I want to use. So I'm gonna pretty much drag this down here, and I will change the I'll reduce the font. The text, so it fits straight like that. I'll just probably use 20. Let me see, 21. Good. And then I'll still drag it down here at the bottom, just so you can have our company logo there. And then I'll just make it a little bigger, move it so it's visible. And I'm gonna try to use a purple color, either purple or whitish color, so it can pop up. Let me see if I use white. White pops up good, but let me see if purple does magic. Purple does magic, is a little dark. Let me try to darken it a little more. And then what I'll do, I'll try to change the font to make it a little bit darker as well, to make it bold. Awesome. I think I'll complement what I'm trying to do. So I like that. I don't, font is at the bottom. I need to reduce my font so my .com can show right there. So that's pretty much it. I only added Happy New Year, Happy New 2023, and then I put my website, my company website right there. And if I still want to put my company name up here, I can. What you have to do is just add headline, and then on that headline I'll put caps, dynamics dispatch wishes you, right? So it's the dispatch wishes you. I'm gonna hold it and drag it. So I'm looking for the drag button. Alright, you move. I'm looking for the drag button. Come on. Yeah, I see you. The 4-pointed, yeah, this 4-pointed is the one that does the drag and drop. So that is beautiful right there. I'm gonna reduce the font size for sure. I'm gonna reduce the font size, but I want it to be like Dynamics Dispatch LLC, and then enter. I want the wishes to be at the bottom, and yep, I want it to say wishes you. And then I have to change this font color to the color that is initially on the chart. So I'm going to use that color, and I will definitely try to look for a font that is a little darker to make it pop. Definitely nice. And then these wishes, I'm gonna leave the wishes to look a little smaller, but I wanna change the font to look like that. Yeah. So whichever style you like, the wishes is sort of disappearing. So let me see if I can click and make it a little, change the font. Let's see, let me make it purple. No, that will still be that color. And I just want to change the wishes. So I'm gonna just copy it, and then let me see if I do purple on this. Let's see. It's still disappearing. So what I'll do is I'll change the font. So I'll change the font. I'll do Horizon London. Now I want to make it a little, want to make it different. I make it something like that. Let's see. That's too small. Let's see that. That's kind of beautiful, sort of different. And then now let's make it purple. All right, so this one looks a little nice. And then here we're gonna say ah, so it makes sense, right? I think I'm gonna use A somewhere else. I'm gonna use A somewhere else. I'm gonna use A somewhere else. A. I'm gonna make it sort of a little different. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go with it. Add a chart. I'm gonna add a text, and in this text, I'm just gonna say all right. So I will put it A, and I will move it up here since the wishes are happy. So I want to change the font on this. Make it purple, make it white, make it that color. And then I'm gonna change the font, make it darker, and there you go. The Dynamics Dispatch wishes you a happy new year. You can use that, or you can just design it however you like. We can delete that, and then I can just add a over here. Wishes you a happy new year. So we can still do that, or you can design it however you like. If you're super good with graphics, I know you can make some magic happen here and make this graphic look really different, but this is the best that I can do with showing you guys how to do it. But if this is just about it, and once you're done, you can change it and alter and make and use. There's so many things to use on here. There are designs, there are graphics, there are elements, there are uploads, which means your pictures, your other pictures that you imported. You have text, you have projects, you have logos, you have so many things you can use from there. And once I'm done with this, all I have to do is now share it and download it. All I have to do is to download it or share it to my social media. But for right now, because we are not in 2022 yet, 2023 yet, I'm just going to download it and save it. After that, now I can use it later to post on my social media platform. But this is all about it. This is how you get to do this. Yep, it's downloaded. It's right there.